Thank you for visiting our website, www.paymyjea.com. Now, you may be watching this and you've seen our Facebook ads or heard our radio program, saw us on television, saw our roadside signs or our billboards and be thinking, what in the world is this church doing? Well, friends, we believe that this is the season to shine the light of Jesus Christ. This is what we believe to be the greatest season in human history, where we celebrate the death, burial, and resurrection for our sins of Jesus Christ. On Easter Sunday, we are planning a powerful worship experience that starts at 10:45 at 8050 Lone Star Road. We're taking all of our weekend worship services and combining them into one power-packed service that you don't want to miss. We know when you come and worship that your family is going to be totally blessed by what you receive in the Word, in music, and in ministry. But not only that, friends, we are going to bless 4 of you watching this video by paying your April light bill with JEA. That's right, you heard it right. 4 of you watching this video that are bold enough to register and to come and worship with us on Easter Sunday are going to have your light bill paid by the church. It's going to be great. And so we look forward to seeing you. Make sure that you register, and then when you get there on site, we'll have a table set up where you'll go and let us know that you're there. We'll welcome you, and then we'll believe God that 4 of you out there, man, you're going to have your life totally blessed by having your light bill paid. We look forward to seeing you. We're praying for you from now until Easter that God is going to do tremendous things in your life, that you're going to be touched, that you're going to be impacted, and He's going to touch you in a powerful way. God bless.